Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a fabulous day today. So I've come again here in the video to speak on the English language, and basically my motto is to speak English and to teach people who are struggling in their life while focusing on themselves, because nowadays there is a lot of distractions such as social media platforms, and other thing is you can say there is a lot of things which can distract you if you found out in your particular life. So you need to basically remove that, and for removing that you should have to a solid time management. And once you have set some sort of goal, so you will easily get detached from that, and that is what more important. So I'm going to discuss in this video today's valid point which you can use it in your life, because I've learned from one books which is psychology of selling. So I just want to see like how the books can change everyone's life, because this is very fascinating things, because I've watched multiple video where some authors said to me that some authors are recording themselves regarding books, like how the books have changed their life, and by that only I have able to improve myself, like focusing on the goals, because setting goals gives you 90% of power from skipping the rat race. Basically, this is how you can improve, like you can detach from the crowd, and that is what more important nowadays, because there is every place if you go there is a lot of race, lot of competitions. So yeah, this is generally happens to everyone. So once you focus on improving yourself day by day, so you don't need to focus on competition. That is what is most important part in everyone's life. If you are improving day by day, so you need to focus on anyone else, because once you know that you are improving day by day, so you have built a solid confidence, and you know you are believing in yourself. So this is what more important. So in this video I want to build you all guys a goal and then work on it. And so if you are finding some sort of distraction while doing that, so you need to find out 20 desire every day, like why you are doing it, and what is the result once you get it, and visualize it as I always tell in the videos. So visualizing yourself is most important. Once you believe in yourself, so nobody can basically can but nobody can stop you to achieve whatever you want. So this is very easy, and so once you believe in yourself, so you can achieve whatever you want. So for that you need to have 20 reasons why this thing is most important for me, for you. So if I talk about myself, like why speaking English is important for me, because once like I can communicate to others, and if you not have a solid degree, and you don't have a solid base in education, so once you are like learn this language, you are able to get some sort of livelihood which you can sustain. So this is a biggest part of a lot of people who are willing to learn this language, because why that you can basically and other thing is that if you are going outside of your country, so we can how you can communicate. So this is also a big part. So these all are reason you need to create, and basically at least 20 reasons. So I haven't done that yet, but I do have a 5 to 10 reasons. So on that as well I'm able to basically consistently focusing on and working on myself. So this is very important part. So yeah, I believe that you also should going to focus on these things, basically finding out reasons, like how once you have achieved that, how this can change your life. So this is what like visionary leaders do. And so you also need to do the same for in your life. So once you've done that, so you will find out like how it is important, like how the big changes you will see in your life as well, because that is happened to my life and I'm able to like express myself. That is what I want to do. So yeah, I'm on this note I'm completing this video. I hope you found it helpful. Bye bye, have a good day.